filming. So, hello, I know, gumagamit ka ba ng social media?
Yes, gumagamit ako ng social media almost every day, particularly social networking sites. Siyempre, hindi naman mawawala dyan yung Facebook, Twitter, YouTube. Yan.
And so, do you post pictures of what you eat, or what you buy, or so, things that you like?
Yeah, I always post pictures, pero hindi ako regularly nagpo-post ng mga things that I buy and eat. I only post pictures of food kung alam ko na sobrang kakaiba yung kinain ko at sobrang memorable. I post just to remind myself na ay pumunta ako dito sa restaurant na to and I bought this type of menu or dish. I post pictures of things I buy kung sobrang special niya. Like say for example, when I bought my iPad, yes, I posted a photo on Facebook kasi sobrang na-appreciate ko yung product. Parang it's a way of telling people na this product is highly I can highly recommend it to you kasi it's worth the money. So parang ganon.
Sa ibang tao, sa tingin mo, why do they do this? Anong possible reasons kaya?
Posing. Posers. I don't understand those people who post pictures of parang ordinary stuff that they buy and they do and they eat. I think kasi part ng personality nila yun bilang tao. Gusto lang nila na mag-post. Trip lang nila, I guess. Yung iba naman, parang feeling nila, it would catch attention of people. Or siguro yung iba para inggitin yung friends nila or inggitin yung mga tao. Ewan ko, that's my opinion.